Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vudu on Smart TV step by step clearly. To activate Vudu on your Smart TV, begin by turning on your TV and selecting the home button on your remote. Navigate to the App Store available on your Smart TV. Search for the Vudu app in the App Store. Once you find the Vudu app, select it and choose the option to download or install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Vudu app. You will see options to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, choose the Sign In option. On the Sign In screen, you will see a prompt to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, select the option to sign in. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create one. Follow the instructions to set up your new Vudu account. After signing in, you may see an activation code on your screen. Take note of this activation code. On a separate device, open a web browser and navigate to the Vudu activation website. Enter the activation code in the designated field on the website. Click the Submit button to confirm. Once the code is accepted, your Smart TV will refresh. You should now see a confirmation message on your TV screen. You are now ready to browse and stream content on Vudu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.